Morning and welcome back to another session. We are out at Rocklands Reservoir. Back here again, chasing those big redfin, hopefully yellow belly. There is also cod, so fingers crossed, but not holding me breath. As you can have a look around, she is like glass. Something jumped over there, look at that. So we've got worms on board, bit of cheese. We've also got the flick rods, lures, spinners, all that jazz, just in case we feel like doing that. But we'll check back in when we get onto something. To our second spot. It is a little bit fresh out here today, I must admit, but that sun's just starting to make an appearance. Pretty cloudy and overcast. Rain is meant to hit around about lunchtime, so we've only got the morning to get in here, try and catch a fish or two, and then get back to the boat ramp and packed up. But we had one bite at that first spot, so we've just moved to this one here, 6 metres of water. We're probably just on the edge of the old river system that used to run through this resi, so hopefully we have a bit more luck here.
More redfin.
He's a bit bigger than your other fish finger you caught last week.
Oh, yep.
Bryce picked this spot because he saw a heap of structure on the sounder. Thought she'd be an alright spot. Three trips now, not a fishless trip. He saved us.
It's our redfin.
Beautiful little reddy.
I'll see you off, bud.
We missed the hook up, but we finally got a lure ready. Been here for 3.5 hours, a couple little bites and that, but just nothing really wanting to take the bait. So now we've got one on the board. I reckon we might stick around for a bit longer and see if we can get a few more. But the weather's closing in, so we've probably only got about an hour and a half, I reckon, until the rain hits, but we'll stick it out until then. So we've just had another good bite here. Little bluey.
Bluey's having a crack.
Since we only got the one fish for this trip, we've actually got a bit of footage from a little bank fishing trip we did a couple of weeks ago, 2 redfin. So we'll roll on those clips now and enjoy. Morning. Another adventure down at the Wimmera River. We're in the same spot. We caught a few fish here last time, so we just thought we'd come down here, see if we can catch a fish. You know, just enjoy a good Sunday morning. Beautiful weather. Does not get much better. No wind as of yet. We are planning a trip too to Lake Purrumbete. Probably tomorrow, I reckon we'll head there. So we'll try and get a video out of that. Hopefully we catch something. Never fished there before, but apparently it's good for redfin. So bait today, we're using a couple of Jan Juck worms. Best worms we've had yet, I reckon. They're just absolutely massive.
And they catch fish.
And they catch fish. They hold themselves together too. They don't fall apart. Some worms you get, you know, they've got that, I don't know, they come in like a paper and they just bloody fall apart as soon as you put them on a hook. These ones are real good. So running sinker on this one, paternoster rig on that one, both with the Jan Jucks. So we'll see which one catches a fish, if we catch a fish. Such a calm day today. Like the river is like glass. Let's hope that the fish are a bit more stirred up than the river is. But right now, this is absolutely beautiful. Just as I say that, the wind kicks up. Dude.
Got a bite. Oh, he's still there. Got him, whatever he is. He's tiny. I think I got some. Yeah, I got some. He's tiny. What is that? Redfin. You're a redfin. Hey, buddy. I'm sorry I had to hook you. You're so small. There you go. Got a redfin.
I think your fish finger's bigger than that.
This is that circle hook as well.
Did it go on the lip?
No, it's in the gill. It's only just through his gill though. Might be able to push it back. That weight of the sinker's probably not helping. Hey bud. Hey, don't bite me.
Oh, good start.
Come on. Oh no, it was almost out, buddy. There we go. Okay. See you later, bud. First fish on the board.
Nice one, mate. It's had the subtlest little bite. Come on, that was me kicking it. Nah, that was a kick, but before that was a bite. There he is. Always let go of it. Got him.
Yes. How big is it?
Oh, I don't know, but I can't get up.
Get up, you lazy.
No, not very big. Ready?
That's a nice ready.
It's not a bad ready at all.
You want to get a measure?
Why not? Oh, now his sinker's stuck. Come here. Beautiful little lip hook too. Bryce will wet the braggy.
Unraveling me scroll.
Come on, give me my hook back. There we go. That is not a bad redfin. You can get a couple of fillets off that easily. But we didn't even bring chairs, let alone something to fillet a fish with. So let's get a measure. Oh, he's beautiful.
Yep.
Hey, hey, hey. Really? I'm just going to let you go. He just wanted to go back in the drink, that one. He didn't even want to measure. But I'm going to say around about 25 centimetres, I reckon.
He saw the water and had to run for it.
That was one very eager redfin to get back in the water. Rethread me worm and get it back out there.
Caught 2 redfin now.
Oh no, 2 on the board. Get that back out there. Yes!
Yes!
Well, that's it from us today. Fished for about an hour and a half. 2 redfin, one about 25 centimetres, but we didn't really get the measurement as you saw. He wanted to get back in the water. Bryce's was the size of a fish finger, but 2 fish on the board. Righto, so 1 fish for the trip. We're going to pull up stumps here. Been out here for 5 hours, got that one little redfin, so we're gonna shoot off back to the boat ramp and load up and head on home. But if you like this video, make sure you subscribe, hit that like button, turn the notifications on, and we'll see you in our next session.